So we looked and we said, what has technology been able to do in every other industry? It's been able to take the biggest problems that people have and solve them and make them more accessible, more affordable, more relevant, and less expensive, and then more available. So, in sports, they say, what's that person's ability? And it turns out, if you know a bunch of these athletes, so I've been very fortunate in my life to meet a bunch of them, Andrew Luck being one of them, he said, Dan, the best skill that I now have is availability. Doesn't matter how good I am if I can't play. Well, if the school is great, but you can't attend it, or you can't afford it, or you can't get to the classroom on time, or even, you take the CUNY schools. They're all local schools. They're not residential. It's still an hour to commute. You still have to pay the subway both ways. So to take a single class at a community college is a half a day. Yeah. You can't afford to do that.
No, certainly not if you have kids.
So Chegg has gone the other way and said, put the student first. What would you do if you put the student first? You'd make it online, on demand, accessible, affordable, adaptive, personalized, relevant, and expansive, because we don't know the way you learn best.
Right.
So we'll give it to you in video. We'll give it to you in text. We'll give it to you in Q&A. We'll build in affordable human help. So instead of paying a tutor for an hour to commute to you and commute back, you can be on for 5 minutes and be gone.
Yeah.
And you could do it chat-based.
On demand.
On demand.
Uber of education.
We wouldn't stand outside in the rain in New York anymore and wait for a cab. Comes to you. We wouldn't go to a movie theater and pay $18.95 in New York City to go to a movie, to eat crappy popcorn at a time that we don't want to go, and see a movie we don't want to see.
With bed bugs and no reserved seat.
Right. Yeah. We now will sit on our couch and eat kale.
Yeah.
And watch Netflix.
Right.
And so why isn't education built the same way? And that's our objective.